So I want to clear up some things regarding last week's post on encouraging knee valgus. It's not necessarily that we want to encourage the knee valgus position, but we do want to encourage femoral internal rotation and induction that is controlled, getting in and getting out of that position. Now, you're asking, why is that important? Well, think about it. Anytime you have an athlete, they're undoubtedly going to find themselves in that, quote, knee valgus position at some point. Think of your goalies, think of your hockey players, think of your skateboarders, think of your surfers. That back knee, and on both knees, will find themselves in a knee valgus position. Anytime you have to cut laterally, you are going to put your knee in a knee valgus position. So it's important to learn to control getting in and getting out of it. Granted, yes, in rehab, you're going to teach proper lower extremity alignment initially. But later on in the return to sport phase, you need to be able to teach getting in and out of that position. We highlighted two exercises, the curtsy lunge and the transverse step up, which are some of my favorite ways to introduce a femoral internal rotation and adduction moment that is controlled the entire time. For an easier and regressed version, you can just try standing three-way clams. Essentially, you're going to be in a lunge position with a TheraBand or a mini band around your knees, and you're going to slowly let the tension of the band bring your femur into internal rotation and adduction, controlled, and then you're going to come out of it. Moral of the story, spend most of your time diverting disaster, meaning teaching your players and athletes how to properly move. But there's nothing wrong with developing a contingency plan if disaster does come, meaning learning to control how the knee moves in and out. Peace.